Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Mel, some Kicks and Collectibles. Got a package through from Puma today, all the way from Germany. Let's see what we got inside. Someone's gonna get my little unboxing knife. We're gonna cut right into this. I don't actually remember what this is, so we're gonna find out today. Get rid of all this. So it looks like we got the Puma Cross Ader Errors. Get that out the way. That's a dirty box. So let's take a closer look at the box. So you've got the Puma and Ader branding along the side here. Got Puma and Ader branding along the top. Got this nice blue stripe coming down here on the left side of the box. This carries along onto this side, and then you've just got Faster Than Youth printed on the side here. Puma logo in the top right hand corner. Just got the sizes here. So I'm a UK 12, which is a US 13, as you can see. Europe 47, damn. Okay, I didn't know that. All right, let's crack these things open and take a look at what we got in here. Okay, we got more Puma and Ader branding. Oh yeah, that's pretty. All right, let's get these both out the box and take a closer look. So this is another RSX silhouette by Puma, this time in collaboration with Ader Error, which is a South Korean streetwear brand based out of Seoul. Now, these guys have been around since 2010, and I believe they're at the forefront of streetwear in that area, and they're just super cool. I mean, if you go into an Ader Error store, they don't even have a men's and women's section. Everything's designed to be unisex, and it's all pretty fire. I mean, if you go look on the Puma website now, they've got some pretty cool Ader Error cross Puma clothing. Like there's a couple pieces that I'm gonna buy off there that pretty sick, pretty good stuff, man. Now let's get into the shoe itself. Now I am in love with this sneaker, and there's a good couple reasons. This is the only collaboration that I personally have, an RSX collaboration that's made like a vast change to the shoe itself. It's usually pretty samey with, you know, with how they do the collaborations. I'll just bring out a couple of other shoes here so you can remind yourself of what we've had before. Each one of these iterations has this little tab at the back, which, if you can see, has "Pull Me" written on it. Let me just get a close up of that for you. Yeah, they've all got it. With the exception of the Ader Errors, which has this cool little toggle on the back. And you know what? It's premium. It feels great. As does the rest of this sneaker. I'm gonna be honest with you, this shoe is very well made, very well put together. And I'll be honest with you, the RSX running system itself is the most comfortable range of sneakers that I have ever worn in my entire life. All right, so let's get into the construction. So you've got the IMEVA sole, which is what the RSX is known for, which is one of the reasons why it's so comfortable. Move up to here, you've got a lovely, soft, texturized suede as you do here. You've got the mesh construction there. You've got leather on the toe box, some pretty strong eyelets. You've got a double tongue, which we're going to talk about shortly. Along the back, you've just got this texture rubberized part here. Nothing much is different on the sides. And you've got the RSX running cushion inside there, and that again with the Ader branding on it. Super awesome. So let's get into the differences. So firstly, usually it will have Puma branding inside this part. Today we got the Ader branding. The Puma's been moved down here. Now I don't know if you can pick this up, guys, but This is actually this is actually translucent. Let me see if I can get that from a better angle. So yeah, so this part is translucent, and in the back, well, sorry, underneath it, you've got Ader printed, and it just looks awesome. Oh man, oh, I'm gushing. This is such a good shoe. Seriously, it's such an awesome shoe. Now, on the suede part, if you remember with the Sankowans crossover it, they actually did away with this. Let me pull that out just to show you. Boom. Yeah, so the Sankowans, they got rid of the Puma logo there. So they've got the Ader logo inside there. Puma branding across here. Another Puma sign across there. And they've got this here, which is just awesome, and it's very heavy as well. Super cool. Ader branded again. Take a closer look. You can just see this is all premium build quality. I mean, the sneaker is just cool. Just very cool. Now, the most interesting part to me is this tongue. Let's get these laces out the way. It's actually got a double tongue. Now, this kind of reminds me of Off-White, where they've actually got tongue written on the tongue. Man, it's super cool, man. Not gonna lie. They've got this beautiful soft leather here on the double tongue with the Puma logo right there. Again, just a beautiful addition. On the inside here, they've got RSX written. And it's just not something that you can go wrong with. This is a very versatile sneaker. And the colorway is called Whisper White Blueprint Red. I cannot wait to crep protect these and get these out. But I gotta wait for the summer to hit in full effect before you bring these out. So now let's compare these, and the major differences in the design to the original RSX toy. So as you can see, on the toe box itself, there is a difference. This reflective part was actually silver. This isn't even reflective anymore. That's completely new. As you can see, this appears on this version and it carries through on this shot. You don't have the double tongue on the original RSX, and you got RSX branding up there. I love this tongue. This is so sick. So sick. And again, no RSX branding here. These are just the differences. This toggle part's different. The 180 degrees on the back. It's for the youth. This is definitely not a sneaker you can go wrong with. I'm a huge fan of the RSX running system in general. There is a similarity with the Sankowans where you get a pack of laces. Oh no, this didn't come off. You do get a pack of laces, this time in bright white. Okay, cool. So these are not Ader branded, but Puma branded at the tip. Now I'm gonna be honest, that's awesome. I really like that. I really, really like that. But would it go with these shoes? I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know whether I should keep the blue ones, because I personally feel they look better on this shoe, or put the Puma branded white laces in, guys. So in terms of cost, the Ader Errors cost the same as the Sankowans RSX crossovers, which was 130 pounds. Which one do I think was value for money? To be honest with you, you can't compare them. They're two different brands. You had two different takes on a classic silhouette. I think they're both worth the money. I'm gonna be honest. If I was gonna choose which one was better, I'd probably have to go with the Ader Errors, and that's just due to the fact that they've done so many little subtle changes to the shoe itself to make their collaboration a little more standoutish, whereas Sankowans, they just put that thing on the side and, you know, they changed a little bit here, but there's not really much other than the colors that have changed on it. You know, even with the Hot Wheels collaboration, there wasn't much that was changed. It was literally a repaint and then the clear sole. Again, I do wear my sneakers, guys, so don't at me in the comments talk about I got dirty sneakers. Yeah, so there's that. I mean, I think the RSX line as a whole is just value for money. I mean, the base ones, like the RSX toys. These were only like 80 or 90 pounds. You know, which for a sneaker isn't that expensive. It's kind of, I'd say, bottom end for sneakers. I mean, look, when Air Force Ones are now commanding 100 pounds plus in certain iterations, you know, the RSX is an amazing shoe, and I'd say value for money. I'm actually gonna go ahead and give these sneakers a score, because I know some of you will be thinking, well, why should I buy these? Well, there's enough unique elements in the shoe to warrant this as, you know, a piece that you would purchase. If you've never had an RSX before, this would be the ones to go for, or the Sanquans if you can still get them. So this sneaker will get a 5 for comfort, a 5 for aesthetic, and a 5 for matchability. And matchability meaning what it goes with. And I'll be honest with you, you compare these probably with anything, you know, as long as the colors match and you're wearing some good straight jeans, you know, you can carry this off immensely well. And people are gonna watch your feet. You know, these sneakers draw attention no matter where you wear them and how you wear them. People will always watch your foot if you got an RSX on them. Guys, I hope you liked the review. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to pick these up, these are available at Puma.com and any other good sneaker retailer in your area. One last thing for all you ASMR folk out there. I'm not gonna lie, that was real satisfying.